So we have finished our safari. We spent the last few days here in Arusha doing mostly laundry and trying to figure out what we're doing the next few weeks. But we are taking a bus today from Arusha to Dar Salam.
Luxury style.
Luxury style. There was a few different buses, like luxury, extra luxury, but we essentially chose the extra luxury. One, it includes food, and two, it was the time that we wanted to leave at.
And three, we had a very long drive, so we kind of didn't want to be uncomfortable.
It wasn't too bad though. It was only like $31 a person. So we're gonna head to Dar Salam. Aaron carrying our bags. Luckily, there's not a bunch of people out this morning. We made it on the bus. The seats definitely feel quite luxury. We even have a screen in front of us, which nothing's popping up on it yet, but maybe we just have to start. There's mood lighting in the ceiling. There's the toilet. Still holding out to see if there's Wi-Fi, and I'm not sure about the food. It definitely said we had food and snacks and water. But I don't know how that's going to work, so we'll see.
That's a better view of your luxury seats right there.
We are finally in Dar Salam, but we're doing our first point redemption for hotels. We've done a bunch on flights, but this is the first one with hotels. Ironically, it's with the point currency we don't naturally already have, so the Marriott, but 40,000 points for 5 nights, and we have 2 levels and a kitchen. So I'm very happy.
Crazy.
But it's getting kind of late tonight, so we're gonna call it a night, and then we're gonna explore Dar Salam over the next few days.
Pick it up tomorrow. Starting our time in Dar Salam, we were here yesterday, but it's not that, per your research, it's not that big of a tourist city, but there's still some things to do, and we're gonna start with the beach and whatever else you have planned. Museum?
Actually, we're gonna start at the Village Museum.
Village Museum and then the beach.
In the beach area. We thought about going to a different beach, but it's a little pricey just to go to a beach, so we're gonna go to the free beach. This is a very nice tuk-tuk. First tuk-tuk in Dar Salam. It's a very nice tuk-tuk, actually. The word museum to describe this is kind of used lightly. It's more like an open air showcase of different housing types throughout Tanzania. So it's pretty cool, actually. This was our first one, Lake Victoria House. And it's actually nice. There's a whole bunch of different rooms. You can't really see inside them because it's kind of dark. It's very nice. Can you actually see?
Yeah.
I'm kind of scared that something's going to jump out and attack me. But there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6 rooms in here. It's actually quite impressive. I'm impressed with these Lake Victoria folks. And these are the native goats to this house.
This is a whole villa right here.
This is the Hihi tribe.
Check it out. They have.
Oh, it's a special room for the first wife.
Oh, I guess that one's for you. Oh yeah, that's a nice spacious room for you, huh, bud?
Here's the one for the second wife.
Oh, I still got to get one of those.
Get out of here.
Oh my gosh, I thought that was a bug. Oh, I freaked out.
A room for guests.
Come on, that's where your parents are going to sleep.
Are they?
Yeah.
When you get your second wife and move to Tanzania?
Come on. Aaron, stop being a turd bucket. I knew you were going to do that. They're gonna do a show for us. A dance.
I did not know that we were going to be the show.
Oh, I didn't know that either.
I was the show.
Why did they always end up choosing me for the show?
We were both chosen for the show. I danced with you this time.
We are the only ones in this museum right now, so.
True. But it was cool. It was a fun experience, even though I felt rigid and goofy and I know I don't know how to dance. But we're gonna check out some more of the houses and then go to the beach.
All right, we finished the museum. We got another tuk-tuk, and we are at Cocoa Beach. Not the cleanest beach that I have seen, but we're gonna relax, have our peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, and then decide what to do for the day. I don't know that I want to get in this water personally.
I agree. We brought our bathing suits. I don't think I'm gonna change in mine. Not the best beach, but I think we're just gonna relax and get some sun rays, maybe play some cards.
We had big plans that we were gonna sit here, play some cards, relax. It is so hot and so humid. I am coated in sweat again.
Show it. Ooh, hold on. Wait, flatten it out. It looks like you got 2 targets for each cheek.
I do. So we decided we're gonna go get ice cream instead and maybe go hang by the pool where we can actually get in the water. We may have come back to get more ice cream from where we came yesterday. And apparently today is buy one, get one free. So we ordered one and they just brought out a second one. So I guess we'll have to eat it.
You probably won't need dinner.
We're eating dinner.
Oh my gosh, you see the evil look she just gave me? Erica did remind me that this is a vlog, so we got to show the good with the bad, the lame with the exciting, and this part's just going to be lame. We've mostly been recovering and eating food, and now we're going to go downtown.
But we are going to start with some lunch. We're going to a place called Chef's Pride. It is one of the more top-rated places I found. I have no idea what they have to eat, but it's supposed to be cheap and good.
I think our tuk-tuk should be arriving soon, so let's go. That was one of the more confusing experiences.
There's a giant menu, but like maybe an eighth of the menu is actually available right now. And we don't know what the eighth of the menu is. Nothing that we were gonna order was available.
So ultimately, I just went up and she kind of pointed out what she had to this bar where you're usually supposed to do it yourself, I think, and you just go up and pick what you want and then pick it up and go. But she helped us out. So I think we got coconut chicken with rice and then fried chicken with rice.
We have no idea how much it costs because I didn't even see those things on the menu. So we'll see. It's supposed to be good still, so I'm sure it'll taste good.
I think we'll like it.
Okay, it's pretty loud in here, but we got what we ordered. So a giant plate of coconut chicken, giant thing of rice. Aaron got some other chicken, some more rice. So much food, actually. But I am pretty hungry. So let's see. The coconut flavoring on the chicken is on point. I'm very happy. I haven't actually got into the chicken yet because I never know how to eat this chicken. We tried some Fanta as well. We never drink Fanta, like ever, at home. But they have the best Fanta here in Africa. The black currant Fanta in Kenya. And then we have been drinking passion Fanta, but they didn't have it today. So we went with pineapple Fanta, which is also delicious. It's just so much better than back home. It's just like, it's not as sweet, it's more refreshing. It's just better. Let's eat. We got our bill, and the cost was 27,000 shillings, which is about $10 for 2 ginormous plates of food. So I think it's pretty good. We're gonna go get some dessert now. There's cassata ice cream, but it's just a couple blocks away, so we're gonna try to find it.
Our ice cream plan fell through. They're not open until it begins, which is a bummer, but
So the type of ice cream that we were gonna try is cassata. It's like rectangle shaped, and I read here in Tanzania it has like coconut oil in it. That's what I read. But there's like a bunch of places downtown to get it, but none of them open till like 6 p.m. So we ended up back at the Snow Cream, which is it's a different location though.
different location. People don't recognize us.
We're just gonna do a sundae, and then we're gonna go head to the water and to the museum.
All right, so we made it to the National Museum. Took a little longer than usual because I think we've had about 2 people walk with us and then try to sell us things. So that's one thing you got to be aware of in Tanzania is people will tend to start walking with you and talking to you and kind of direct you in certain places to kind of show you their shop or show you one of their friends' shop and then stop you to sell you some art or ask you how long you've been here or how long you have left to sell you an experience or something like a tour. I was just thought it was be nice to know. And we're back live here in Dar Salam with the Honey Bunnies. Our time here has been meh, been hot. We haven't had too much to do, but we did enjoy the food. Back to you, Humbun. What do you think?
It was good. I know Aaron doesn't really like museums. The museum is not the greatest, but it's a small little museum. I think it's worth $6 for a couple hours. And I don't really know what we're going to do for the rest of the day. Figuring it out.
I think this is probably going to call it for our time in Dar Salam. After that, we're going to be heading down to...
No, we're going to eat Ethiopian food tomorrow, actually.
That's not going to call it. We're doing Ethiopian food. And I guess we'll see you there. How sus do you feel going down this road?
A little sus. Let's hurry up.
So we're a little less sus, but still sus. I think it's up here on the left.
We did not have someone here to help us order, but they had some combos, and we kind of just chose one of them. I'm sure it'll be good. We're the only people here right now, but we are kind of a little on the early side for lunch. But we'll see. I'm still excited. I really liked it last time. And I got a Kilimanjaro beer because I can't leave Tanzania and not try their local beer.
If my mom's watching, just remember, don't think about how they're prepping the food or where the food's coming from. Just enjoy the food.
As usual, I have no idea what is what, but they did give us the wheat injera, which is what I really liked last time. And we're just gonna start. We're just gonna go. It's got a little bit of a spice to it. It has a little bit of spice too.
You can either take from the plate or a roll here to tear off your piece of the wheat bread, which isn't... Oh, the jera. It's not as sour as the other place. So I kind of like this bread better. But you've got a bunch of different options here. 3 vegetarians, 2 beets is the combo we got. And the meats are really good. Obviously, I love meats. The vegetarian's very good. These guys are spicy. This This lentil one, I don't know, is the most spicy, but overall, delicious.
We almost finished all of our Ethiopian food. Not quite. We completed with the hand wash. And now we're just gonna sit back, finish our beer, and then probably relax for the rest of the day because tomorrow we are headed to our next country of Zambia.